Hey everyone, Caleb Smartphone Repairs. In today's video I will be showing you how to install Microsoft Edge on your Samsung Galaxy. 1. Open the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. 2. Search for Microsoft Edge using the search function. 3. Select the Microsoft Edge app from the search results. 4. Tap Install to download and install the app. 5. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app or find it in your App Store. You can then sign in with your account or continue browsing without one. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment